Hello and welcome to our video series on NJ Transfer. In this segment, you will learn how to use the Advanced Search component. To do this, you will start on the NJ Transfer homepage. You can access the Advanced Search component through the link in the Features and Tools section or from the drop-down menu under Students located at the top of the page. Click on Advanced Search and you will be asked to select a school you are transferring from and a four-year college or university that you are interested in transferring to. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select Mercer County Community College as the transfer from institution and Montclair State University as the transfer to institution. Click Submit, which takes you to the Advanced Search screen. Advanced Search allows you to search for information in several ways. In this video, you will learn how to find courses that will meet a Gen Ed requirement at your community college, a four-year college, or both. For example, if you want to know all of the courses that meet a specific Gen Ed requirement at Mercer, you would click on the drop-down arrow next to the Mercer Gen Ed. Then choose a category, such as Global and Cultural Awareness, and click Go. You will see a list of all of the courses at Mercer that meet this Gen Ed requirement, along with the Montclair course evaluation and the Gen Ed, if any, that it meets at Montclair. You can also use Advanced Search to find a listing of Mercer courses that will meet a specific Montclair Gen Ed or graduation requirement. To do this, from this screen, you would click Back, and just make sure that your previous searches are cleared out. And then the next step would be to click on the down arrow next to the Montclair State University Gen Ed requirement. And let's, for this example, select World Cultures. This is a graduation requirement at Montclair. And then you're going to click Go. And this is going to give you a listing of all of the Mercer courses that meet this particular Gen Ed requirement at Montclair, along with the Montclair course evaluation. At any time, you can also click on the Mercer course ID in the left column to reach the Course Lookup Results screen to see more information on both the Mercer course and the Montclair evaluation. Be sure to catch part 2 of this video to learn more ways Advanced Search can help you when planning your academic program.